Sometimes when you open an image in Photoshop, it appears as a locked indexed layer. In this video, I'll show you how to convert an indexed image into a normal layer or background. Alright, let's get started. Have you ever tried moving an indexed layer from one Photoshop document to another, but it just refuses to move? And the moment you release it, Photoshop gives you an error? The issue isn't with the layer. The problem is the color mode of the entire document. Go to the top menu and click Image. Then go to Mode. You'll see that Index Color is selected, and it's the reason your layer is locked. To fix it, simply change the mode to RGB color or CMYK color. Click RGB color. You might notice the layer name changed to Layer 1 or Background, and that's totally normal. It just means the layer is now free and editable. Now drag the layer into your other document, and there you go. It works perfectly. If you like my video, hit like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram, link is in the description. You can also watch other tutorials on my channel.